Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable head control for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Now scroll down. And right here at the left side we have head control. Enter here, and to enable it you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And now you can only answer the call and reject the call. So if you nod your head, you will answer the call, but you can change it to reject the call by just tap at this line and then select reject. And then we have shake head to reject the call, but again you can tap on it and change it to answer the call if you want to. Now to disable it you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!